day and the life of a Filipina na palamunin ng asawang afam. Hello, good morning! Hello, good morning! Ang background, nagsimot sa iyag. Stinky na. Hey, what ya? So mga guwaps, mag-check out na me today and we are going to Bohol and see you there. Bye! De hond gaat ruiken. Ja. Isabella. Hello.
Ik heb er ook eentje. Ik heb er ook eentje. Taxi? Taxi?
Hinan aluna o hinan tawanan.
Waarom?
Dit is aluna. Dit is met tawala. Pamuta na tawala.
Maar ze is helemaal
Maar je weet
niks.
ook nog niet juist.
Mga guwaps, andito na kami and ang ganda ng room nila dito. Ayan, naka-ano na yung mga suitcase namin pero ito yung room. Maganda yung room dito sa Hinan. Sa Hinan Resort. Sa Tawala. Tawala Hinan Resort. And ito yung kanilang CR. Tapos, yung CR nila, guys, you can see, makita na. Pwede mong buksan. Hi! Ayan. Nice. Beautiful. Maganda. And now we are drinking coffee and later maybe we will go swimming. Until what time is the swimming pool open? Thin air, honey? Swimming pool? Thin air? Ze heeft niet gezegd. We gaan vragen. Dit is the directory service. You can download the QR code.
Make that thing in your chest. T-Bone. They were always joking around, giving each other nicknames. Pretty funny. Who's T-Bone? Guys, you don't know my name? It's not. I love it. That's the fun never stops with T-Bone. In fact, we were just talking.
Hello.
Sure I am. Sure you are. grab some cash for the big rhinoceros engine. Sure? Sure is the world.
Como someone eats on the street.
Sure, great. Let's do this.
It's my clay. Yeah. Oh. Chloe heeft goed gegeten hier. She is good. Akong dalaga. Ay. Terus gaat je. Good
Ik ga nog niet slapen.
Je moet slapen. Sleep na. Ang dalaga ko. Hala, nakuling-kuling.